Hello students, welcome you to this session. Let's start difference between gets and scanner in C language. Before I start this session, please, please subscribe our channel. Let's start. Scanf, the function of scanf. Scanf is a function. It reads only single word from the keyboard. Even user writes many words, but scanf function will read only a single word from the keyboard at a time, and it stores data entered by the user into variable. Scanf command reads only one word from the keyboard at a time and stores it into variable. Even user writes more than one word. This function will take only word single. Single word will be taken by this function. So it uses %s format specifier. Now we see its program. You are seeing first name variable is declared. char name name is the variable. It will allow us to store maximum 100 characters. Name is a variable. Next, printf is a function that will print the message on the screen, what's your name? And then, reading this message, user will write name. User will write his name and enter name will be stored into name variable because scanf function takes data entered by user and stores into the variable we have learned. And printf, your name is, this is a message that will be printed on the screen. Your name is, this message will come. And then next printf function will print the data stored into the name variable. Printf %s comma name will print the data of name variable on the screen. In these two lines, we are printing two things, one message and another data of the variable. We are using two functions, two statements. We can also get same output in a single line. We can also get same output using a single line. Here, first give the message %s double quote close comma variable name. Now we have learned about scanf function. Now I come to gets variable. It reads multiple words from the keyboard. From the keyboard. Not keyword, from keyboard. From the keyboard. And stores the enter data into the variable. Stores the enter data into the variable. It can store more than one words at a time. It does not use any specifier like %s, %c, and data entered through gets variable can be printed on the screen with puts variable. Generally, we are using printf function to print the message, but there is another function puts that can also print the data of the variable. It does not use any format specifier, but it is used to print only strings. It is used to print only strings. So what's the difference? Gets takes a single words. Gets what is the difference? Scanf takes a single word. and gets can take more than one words. This is the main difference. And now we come to program. Same, we have taken a variable name. Then we are printing a what's your name message. And we are not using here scanf, we are using gets name. Gets round bracket, then variable name. Then we are printing messages and data of the variable. We can use print two messages using two separate functions, or we can print two or more than messages using a single printf like this. Okay, so you have learned the difference between scanf and gets. So thank you, have a nice time, and please subscribe our channel. Please subscribe our